Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. Today's drawing is a bit special because this is a dog's portrait. I have been drawing few commission works of pet portraits, but I have never recorded one video. So this one is a first one. I'm not sure how you guys will react to it, whether you guys will like it or not. So this is very, very important that you guys need to comment and let me know that this looks good or should I do better or not, and everything that you feel I should be improving, and if not. So let me give you a closer look of what I was doing. As I always start with, I did it with a 2H pencil, the base drawing, and I took a lot of time since it was a commission work. As I said, it took me roughly 3-4 hours to decide exactly what the length of the portrait will be. So this is a A4 sheet, an ivory paper sheet, which is easily available in any of the stationery shops and even on Amazon or similar e-commerce websites. So I use this paper because for portraits or even pet drawings, they look good for realistic ones. So it is quite smooth enough. So I felt this one will be good, and the back side of it is rough. So if you want to draw some kind of a drawing which looks good on a rough paper, then you can use the back side too. So this was kind of in between this. There are different types of ivory sheets, so this one was a bit on the rough side, but I thought it would look good for a dog's portrait, and hence I'm using this. For the drawing, I am using the Stomp. This one is I don't remember the brand name, but I just bought it. It was a random one, so this was not the one that I made with myself. Like, I use it mostly with in my videos, so you guys must have been familiar who has been watching all my videos. So if you're new to this channel, I would remind you, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more videos, more art videos, I have lots and lots of it in my channel. You can just go in, check out any of it, and you can comment me. I will definitely reply you back. If you have any questions, any suggestions, I just love to read all the comments. So please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit the like button if you have liked any of the videos. So coming back to the channel, coming back to the video, I'm sorry. So this drawing had been a bit very special kind of, because this dog is actually of my friend's, and she was very excited. She wanted me to draw it really, really very realistically. This should resemble her dog, and once I delivered the drawing, she was really happy. I think that implies that it looked like the dog that she has, and the dog's name is Coco. So guys, wish Coco, I don't know, for her birthday. Must be sometime in this year. So she's a cute dog. I've seen her, and this portrait, that's why it was very, very special to me, and I had to do it, taking some time. So her ears were something that I had to give a lot of kind of importance to, because they were big. They were not like the other dogs. And on the left side of the ear, on the left ear, in fact, you can see there are some kinds of twists and twirls. I don't know what they were, but within the photograph, that looked exactly like that. So if you want to join few of my live sessions, I do it on my Instagram. The links to my Instagram will be given in the description section. Please guys, you can check out my description and find me on different social medias. I've got a Facebook page too, and if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Instagram. You can send me direct messages. I reply to all of them. I reply to my direct messages on Facebook if you are available there more. So even if you want to join the live sessions of drawings, you can join it. I do it on Instagram. I have been partnering with a few other Instagram pages for the live sessions. I give all the updates on Instagram, so that can be beneficial for you too. Again, coming back to the drawing, this drawing was, as you can see, done completely with charcoals because the realism comes much better with charcoals than even graphites. I am not demeaning graphites, definitely not, because I've been using graphites like from, it's been 10-15 years now. So I would say charcoals, what they do is you need to be a bit aggressive with charcoals, I would say, because they're darker, definitely, but they are a bit more dustier. So you have to realize that you need to be kind of having a lot of practice to use charcoals. I would not say professional, because I do not think there is anything called professional in drawing. You improve every day. You can have a bad day, but that doesn't mean that your art is trash or something. You can have an idea. You can make illustrations, drawings, paintings. Everything is an art. So I would say if you have an idea, if you are able to draw, then you definitely are an artist. So that was, if you want to try charcoals, I have got multiple videos on my channel, so please go and watch it. I would give the playlist at the end of the video, so stick to the end of the video. You will see the playlist, and if you find it, then please see it, and I think you would love the drawings. And because I have always tried to maintain that I do things for the beginners, so everyone will get benefited. And even if you are drawing with graphites and you are trying to come down with charcoals too, so these videos can help you there even. Let me know whether any of these videos or this one in particular helped you, if you have liked this drawing, this pet drawing, and if you are gonna try it, if you have got commissions, so you can share it. And if you have tried this drawing in particular, then definitely you can try it. There is no issues with that. So you can tag me on Instagram. If you have drawn some other pet portraits, then also you can tag me. A few bit of my footage, it got damaged kind of, so I could not show you the highlighting actually around the face of the dog. So what I did is, this is my handmade blender. I just blended the charcoal around the face, because that gives a good highlight, because the furs, they're white, and they would obviously look pretty good with a dark background, hence I used it. So that's very simple, and that's very obviously very easy on the eye, and that gives an awesome look, as you can see. So once framed, this portrait should look good enough, and I was really happy with the result. So we come to the end of the video. I will just remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done it. That helps my channel, and that encourages me to draw every day and put up videos every week, and multiple videos now every week. So guys, please hit the like button too. That helps YouTube realize that my videos are beneficial to you guys. You will be able to see the Inktober videos coming in along with these regular drawings that I do. So let me know how you think about those two in the videos. Till then, enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.